So the Atlas web application has a work group that supports it. And so for folks that want to get involved with the development of the Atlas application, you can join us at the Atlas working group. I think later in this slide deck, I mentioned that we meet every Tuesday at 9 a.m. We do meet monthly. The first Tuesday of the month, we meet to provide a high level overview of what's going on with Atlas. And then we have weekly meetings on the following Tuesdays to go into deeper dives on specific technical issues. Could you go to the next slide? For this year, we've defined two objectives and key results for our working group. The first being that we want to develop Atlas with standardized analytics that codify scientific best practices into consistent, reproducible, and efficient processes. And to get there, we've identified a few key results. The first being that we want to define and publish a set of strategic objectives for Atlas that clearly define the direction of the platform moving forward. And going hand in hand with that is to define and publish a roadmap for Atlas to align future work to the strategic objectives from the first key result. And so the aim there is to provide a clear roadmap for the community on what we're aiming to do with Atlas and how we're going to move the platform forward. And along those lines, one of the things that we know we want to do moving forward with Atlas is to incorporate strategists for network study designs. And so one of our key results here is to design and execute a strategist study in Atlas via Arachne or some other container solution capable of running strategists. Our second key objective is to resolve current technical issues in Atlas. And so this is a bit of housekeeping. And here we've listed a few key results that aim to fix known issues with the platform, including some idle and transaction sessions in the web API database. The second, to improve the performance of some of the user interface permissions checks that happen that can slow down the web browser. And third, ensuring that the cohort generation and caching functions correctly function when things are happening concurrently. So when the Atlas application is under intense load, sometimes these operations can get a little muddled, and so we want to fix that, of course. We meet every Tuesday. I apologize, Craig, because I gave you an 8:30 time instead of a 9 a.m. But it's every Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern. We meet as a working group, and so please do join us if you're interested in contributing to the platform or helping us define those strategic objectives I mentioned.